All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I'm going to be putting in and installing the Arcoche rear storage bins for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. So this is one of the first accessories I'm adding on to the new Model 3. And basically it's just going to fit right on each side of the trunk. So you have those little storage sections there. However, you don't have anything to close it. So if you want to have the top of the storage areas flush with the rest of the trunk, this is a nice addition. Also, it just protects the carpet in the storage bins with this nice material here. So let's go ahead and put these in. All right, so we'll go ahead and put in the right side one first. So what I'm going to do is actually lift up the trunk cover here, and I'm just going to go ahead, put in this storage bin, and it fits perfectly just like that. And you can see it's a nice material. And I'm going to go ahead and put the carpet cover over it. And now we can see we just effectively added some extra trunk space here by having a little storage bin there and then covering the storage bin. And we're able to put a lot more stuff here and also making it flush with the rest of the trunk. So if I lift up my trunk mat, you can see it's the same carpet material that's on the rest of the trunk here, which looks very nice. And what's really nice about these two is they have this little pull tab. I had storage bin covers on my previous Model Y. They didn't have this little tab here, and it was so hard to get them off sometimes. And it's actually curved all around, so it really sits flush with the bin itself. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side in now. Again, this is how it looks inside. Very nice material, premium material. And we'll just lift the trunk up again like that. Sit it in there nice and flush. And we can close the trunk mat and put this right on top. And we can see just how good that looks. And there it is on both sides. We can see just how it really just increases the full trunk area in the Model 3, which is smaller than the Model Y. But adding these in, it just looks a lot nicer, a lot more premium. And I really love how it came out. And like I said, these little straps here just make it so easy to pull the cover off, put it back on. There we go. Now all these little microfiber cloths I have here, I can just take them, leave the sub trunk for other things, and I can just put the microfibers right there. Those are the dirty ones. I can put the clean ones here on this side, so I know the right side's for clean microfibers. Let me stick it in a little bit more. Yep, so the right side's for the clean ones and the left side's for the dirty ones. And there we go. Some nice storage bin covers. They're super cheap. And there you go, guys. Again, like I said, with code TFIG, you save 25% off on Arcoche's website. Check them out. They have some cool, interesting products for both the Model 3, Model Y, Model 3 Highland, and the new Model Y Juniper. Check out their stuff. I'll be reviewing other products from their website as well for my Model Y Juniper in one of my next up-and-coming videos. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is just a quick, easy video, just a few minutes. It pops right in, takes 10 seconds on each side, and you're all done. So I hope you guys stay tuned for my future videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm uploading videos every other day of both the new Model Y Juniper and the new Model 3 Highland. I have a lot of content coming out every other day. So please stay tuned and see you next time.